I'm Nancy Griffin, your body-wise health and fitness coach. Thanks for joining my Get Moving Challenge to get your mojo and your bod back. It's 5 days of exercises with accountability built in, and I've designed it with you in mind. If you've had an injury, a surgery, or need to get your numbers in a healthy range, I've got you. I've packed in a lot in 10 to 20 minute workouts. You're going to reduce joint pain and stiffness, you're going to tone up, you're going to build strength, you're going to boost energy, and if you follow my tips, you're going to drop a few pounds. So I'd like to show you what we're going to be doing. So I want to talk to you about what you need. If you suffer from neck pain, you'll want either a cushion, just any pillow that you have at home will do. I'd like you to have a soft mat or a soft carpet to work out on. So make sure you have a mat to exercise. And for our free weight day, when we do the upper body, you'll need a set of free weights. So something that you can do bicep curls with, you'll want 2 of those. And you'll want some weights that you can use for shoulders and triceps. So either a light set or maybe a medium set. So whatever you have in the house, we're going to be doing shoulders, biceps, and triceps. And I'd like to also remind you that while we're in the program, I want you to have some healthy habits. And those habits are going to be drinking 24 ounces of water first thing in the morning and trying to abstain from eating first thing. And I'd like you to try to drink your coffee or tea black and get in that habit. And if you're interested, you can check out the emails if you'd like to try intermittent fasting. If not, just make sure that you eat protein with each of your meals and you try to have a big healthy salad every day, and make sure that you don't add any croutons. You can use nuts and healthy vegetables along with it. And last, I'd like you to find a place in your home that you know that you'll be able to do these exercises. So figure out, are you going to do this on your phone, or are you going to do it on your PC? Where do you have enough room to stretch out? And maybe you'll also want a sturdy chair. A sturdy chair for some of the exercises is something that you can hang on to if you need it for balance. And I'm just so excited about our transformation. We're going to transform your fitness, your physique, and your life. And last, just reminding you that all of these things will help to reduce insulin levels over time. They will help to reduce your blood sugar, improve cholesterol levels, reduce triglycerides, and I just can't wait to get started. So, see you soon.